motherfuckers.
4,
They want out. Spray war.
1.
Gentlemen.
What? I haven't you seen the event? What do you mean?
Really? My stickies didn't do anything? Oh, hip hop.
Cam is playing Spy right now.
I am rubber banding hard. Take out the medics. Frick. No. Okay, I'm here. Get the demo with the bombs. Oh shoot.
You're stuck in spec hell now.
Get the medics!
Oh, Lord.
I'm glad I wasn't there last time. Also, for spec, you have to keep moving around to not get kicked.
Take out that medic, please.
Open red slot,
shoot.
open red slot.
There's money on the front lines.
Sandy!
Ow.
Hey, let's go.
Got it. Got the money.
It's black boxes.
Conch boxes!
Okay, no more
Hold on,
black
I'll find
boxes. Right? No, wait.
Nope, we still got 2 more conch boxes.
Okay.
Motherfucker's dead.
There's 5 of them. They're all in a ring. They're all in a line. They're all in a line.
I'm pinned.
Bro, it is just a mess in that corner.
Oh my lord. I'm coming.
We're gonna have G heavies with medics. Remember, kill medics first.
Yes. There's the medic. Kill him. He's dead. Go
It
for
died.
heavy.
The
See a freaking thing.
next G med.
If
Thank you,
Free
medic.
TV comes back, I am including the server in my suicide note.
Oh, you
G med
can't.
2 down.
Oh, I mean, thought that
One more
one.
pair left. He's coming up. Ugh, I got him cracking it again.
And we got
Okay,
4
all the giants are done with. Taking
deflectors.
care of the rest of the units.
I think Scream TV just needed a better mission.
Yeah, that's true. It's not that bad of them, it's mainly just
You've beaten them back.
Phew!
Really good.
easy.
Oh man.